helper learn to conjure fire for real by yourself with a candle. Light the candle, look at its flame as long as possible. Put your hand close to the fire, feel its power and warmth. Imagine that the power of fire is transferred to you. Ask the fire to become your helper. Say the secret words of the incantation, "Fire, be with me. Give me your warmth and your power, clear my spirit and my mind. Help me in all my affairs." Exercise with a candle is best done every evening before going to bed. Then you will really make friends with elements of fire, and already after some time will feel that you became much stronger and more energetic, and your desires start to come true as if by magic. Do not forget about careful handling with fire. Fire is a bright, vibrant element. Fire magic is the most active of all, because the whole essence of its activity is based on changes. The predominant sphere in magic of this element is love affairs. This fire is able to kindle passion, to return old feelings, to develop sexuality, and to make a man more attractive. In this, magicians and people with psychic abilities use the magic of fire to conduct rituals on development of energy, improvement of sexual sphere of life of an object, destruction of fetters constraining its conventionalities and habits, for cure of diseases and general clarification of an organism. If you have not enough time, you must make a lot of efforts to understand the very nature of the fire. For this purpose, you need a source of fire, best of all, if it will be a fire, but in an extreme case, also a candle will do. In this way, you will be able to imagine that the fire penetrates into your body, and you will be able to feel it in yourself. If there is a fire, then you will have to try to guess the behavior of the flame. Think about where its tongues will be directed at a certain moment in time. Gently try to influence the fire. If you are not able to do this, you should be able to do it in the same way as you were before. The power of air. How to witchcraft with hands. With the help of the air element, you can learn to control the weather. A good imagination and the help of your hands come in handy here. For example, if there is a rainy day outside, and you want it to be warm and sunny. What you need to do this, you can go outside or perform the ritual at home by opening a window or a window pane. Inhale a breath of fresh air, feel the wind. Imagine mentally that you are dispersing clouds so that the sun will come out. For this purpose, it is necessary to conjure with hands. Make with their help corresponding movements, trying to disperse clouds in different directions. Utter a secret incantation, "You cloud, don't be angry, disappear, don't appear in your eyes. The wind is mighty, drive away the evil clouds. Sun, warm the earth, we are waiting for your warm rays. My word is strong, my word is true. Key, tongue, lock." Repeat the words of the incantation and the movements of your hands over and over again, until you vividly imagine that you have succeeded. Already in half an hour, the weather will begin to change, and instead of gloomy clouds there will be sunshine. Is it possible to control elements? Many novice magicians ask the question, how to master the magic of the elements? In fact, every person living on our planet is a form of connection of the four main elements: earth, air, water, fire. All immaterial objects and natural phenomena also consist to one degree or another of elements. To learn how to manage the elements, it is necessary to understand them, to concentrate on them, to identify their main properties, and to draw parallels with oneself. The first thing to do is to coordinate these properties in yourself and learn to control them, and then move on to the magical rituals associated with the elements. In the beginning, take a meditative practice to learn how to clearly visualize the necessary phenomena. When the phase has started, it is necessary to give to your wish a written message on a paper or a paper with a small piece of paper. The color of the ball will depend on the choice of the element. The element air is blue. Earth is brown. The element fire is orange. Element water blue color. Gradually connect palms and let in all that contains in this ball. At the moment when the palms touch each other, make a deep exhalation. At the same time, imagine the situation which you plan to influence. Control of the different elements should be constantly developed. Start with this small practice and continue your fascinating journey into the world of magic. If you are not able to do it, you will be able to master the magic of all the elements.